Are you considering a new construction home and wondering whether you really need your own representation? You're not alone. A lot of buyers assume the builder's sales team will handle everything, but there's a lot more to know. Stick around and I'll explain why having your own representation matters and the benefits it can bring from start to finish. Hi, my name is Josh Wilt, and I'm a local realtor here in Coastal Delaware with the Cory Mayo team at Compass Real Estate. A lot of buyers think that if they're purchasing a new construction home, they don't need their own realtor. And honestly, I understand why. You walk into a model home, the community looks beautiful, the sales team is friendly, and the process can seem pretty straightforward at first. But here's what many buyers don't realize. The builder's sales representative works for the builder. Their job is to represent the builder's interests, the builder's pricing, and the builder's contract. My job is to represent you, and that can make a big difference throughout the entire process. I say that not just as a realtor, but as someone with over 11 years of experience in new home sales working for a national home builder. So I've seen this process from both sides. I understand how builders' contracts work, how upgrade pricing is structured, how timelines can shift, and where buyers can easily feel overwhelmed if they don't have someone guiding them through it. Because with new construction, you're not just choosing a floor plan and signing paperwork. You're making important decisions about the home site, structural options, design selections, financing, inspections, warranties, and even long-term resale value. Having your own realtor gives you someone in your corner who can help you see the full picture, not just what looks good in the model home, but what makes the most sense for your goals, your budget, and your future. I help buyers compare builders, communities, incentives, upgrade costs, and contract terms so they can make informed decisions with confidence. I also help answer the questions many buyers don't even know to ask yet. What's actually included? What's considered an upgrade? What upgrades are worth the money? How does this home compare to others nearby from an investment standpoint? And what should you expect throughout the entire build process from contract to closing? This isn't about making the process more complicated. It's about making it more clear. Buying new construction should feel exciting, not confusing. And with the right representation, it can be. You deserve someone who can advocate for you, help you avoid costly mistakes, and make sure you fully understand what you're signing up from start to finish. You get professional guidance, representation, and someone in your corner throughout the process without any added costs on your end. So if you're thinking about buying new construction, just know this. Having your own realtor matters, and having someone on your side with real experience in new home sales can make all the difference. If you're considering building and want guidance before stepping into a model home, I'd be happy to help. Feel free to call me at 302-752-8927 or send me an email at josh@coastallifede.com. No pressure at all. I'm always happy to be a resource and help however I can.